Coming to you live from RoofCon 2021, this is the American Contractor Show.
So I got the chance to come out to UglyRoof out in Pittsburgh to watch the process. Now, I'd mentioned to you when I was out there that I was a little skeptical. I've seen this process before, and I just was not buying into it, right?
Right.
And then I got the opportunity to come out to watch how you and John put it together, how you guys, the house that you guys chose for me to watch, the product go on. I mean, it was absolutely a game changer for me.
Yeah.
So much of a game changer, just so to let the cat out of the bag, so much of a game changer. I've already started pitching this to my clients.
Yeah.
So this is fantastic. But tell us a little bit about how this all got started.
So I was a roofing and construction company. We did roofing, siding, windows, the whole bit. And about 2 years ago, we switched to just doing strictly roofing. So we were looking to grow our business. John came from an industry where he owned a power washing or soft wash company. So we were thinking about instituting that into our business. And then we looked into some other options that were out there. And when we looked into those options, they weren't right. They weren't right for us. It was setting up a new franchise and a new business, and it just wasn't what we were looking for. We wanted to have something that we could add to our business. So we met some people, some very smart people, and we got together and made our own product. And it's manufactured right in Pennsylvania. It's a phenomenal product, and it's really changed our entire company and how we do things.
So I got a chance to see the video that where you have a shingle and it's just chipping away. Then you put the process down, and it's so malleable now you can bend it over like a taco.
Yeah.
How does that work?
So roof rejuvenation is amazing. When you clean a roof, you can't just clean a roof because it literally takes life away from the roof because it dries it out. It makes it look beautiful, but it dries that roof out. So by rejuvenating, by putting the oils back into the shingle, just like they've done for the last 25 years on asphalt roads, they spray this chemical on the road that rejuvenates the asphalt and brings that back to life. Our product has been engineered specifically for asphalt shingle roofing, and it literally brings that shingle back to life, resaturates it, it softens the shingle, it saturates it even down to the core, and it makes it reseal and reattach. You can come over to the booth and check out some of the videos that we have. But when you, in that picture over there, when you would take that shingle in the corner, you could literally break it off. It was so brittle. 2 weeks later, when you go back, you could bend that shingle over and roll it like bubble gum. It was as soft as can be and just completely sealed down and saturated. So we can take a 17-year-old roof, this is an independent study that was done, a 17-year-old roof back to almost brand new conditions.
That's just amazing. The process, how you guys did it. Now, you guys only had 2 guys that showed up with a trailer. They did the repairs that were needed on the roof, which is what your sales guy sold. He sold that they would go ahead and repair the roof. They would do a kind of a tune-up on the roof, and then rejuvenate the roof. And the whole process with the repair and the rejuvenation was only 2 hours.
Yeah.
I mean, I was already ready to come back to Dayton, Ohio. I mean, within a couple of hours. That was amazing.
Yeah. So our target is roofers. Now, a lot of roofers are like, oh, you're taking business away from me, but our target is roofers because this is an additional product offering that they can have within their business, and it's extremely profitable. It's for the homeowner that doesn't have the money, can't get financed, maybe doesn't even need a new roof. We've been on those roofs before when you're like, this guy really doesn't even need a roof, but I'm here, I'm going to try to sell him a new roof. So it gives us credibility when we're in a house. We can offer them a rejuvenation and a repair, or we can offer them a full roof replacement and give them the options for what they want to do. So it really gives the roofing contractor an endless supply of things to do for that customer. It's taken our closing percentage from the high 30s to the mid 50s.
Now, I was nervous that what my sales guys would say, even with my sales guys, because I want to bring it into our organization, but within that, talking to your sales guy, he was so excited because not only does he have another opportunity, because the guy does not need a new roof, he just needs it to last a little bit longer, but yet you guys pay a little extra to that sales rep, don't you?
We do. We pay a higher commission for that, so it makes it worth their while, but still the margins, if you, like that particular roof we were doing that day, it was a little repair and a rejuvenation was $2,750. To replace that roof in our market would have been about $9,000. I made 2 times more on that rejuvenation than I would have on the roof replacement. 2 hours, they moved on to the next job, they did 3 that day. And so their dollars per day for your 2-man crew is 3 times what a 5-man roofing crew will do in one day. It's an unbelievable profit margin for the roofing contractor, and an additional revenue stream and add-on for their salesmen.
So it's a win for the homeowner, and how is it a win for the homeowner?
So the homeowner, so nobody wants to buy a new roof. And if they don't need it, if they can do some minor repairs, or if they technically don't even, they can get a couple years out of it, this is a solution. It's like a maintenance program. When you get a new asphalt driveway, every couple years you seal that driveway. It's the same thing with your home. You're protecting your greatest asset, and you're maintaining that roof so that it does last the years that it's supposed to last, and the sun doesn't bake it out and cause problems in the future.
So, and then how is it a win for the contractor financially?
It's a staggering win for the contractor. So to give you an example, that day, that roof replacement, generally speaking in the industry, and you know this for sure, your average contractor will be in a net profit of anywhere between 10 and 14% if they run, depending on how lean they run their business. That's net after it's all said and done. So on that $9,000 roof replacement, at a 10% net profit, you're making $900. That $2,700 repair, after 2 hours done, net, $1,600 profit, moved on to the next one, and they did it again twice that day. So the profit margins for a roofing contractor are 3 times what they would be for roof replacement. And none of the mess. And you're not pulling dumpsters in, you're not throwing shingles off a roof with a chance of ripping screens and scratching doors and yards, and you know what's involved in a roof replacement. You're in and out of this project very quick, and the profit margins are staggering.
Now, I'm not going to make you get into your marketing strategy, and the strategy that you shared with me that will not only take it from 5 years to 10 years. I mean, it's an amazing. So if you guys want to see what this strategy is and why it's so enticing that even I couldn't wait to get started myself, get in with my clients.
Yeah.
You have to get with Ty, get with John, get out to Pittsburgh and see it for yourself, man. John,
Yep.
Truly amazing product.
Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for having me.
All right.